Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. I know a lot of you are cussing me out this morning with these bitterly cold conditions. At least last time when it happened on a weekend, on a Saturday morning, so not as many of you were out and about right away Saturday morning. I know a lot of you have to go to work. Also keep in mind we have a lot of late starts for schools around the area because of these dangerously cold conditions. You can find a list of those at our website, NBCNEB.com. Go to the closing section. It's in the weather section, then go to closings. Or you can also find those on our KSNB News app. Well, let's take a look. First off, we have the wind chill advisories that continue until 10 o'clock for a large portion of the area in the light blue shaded areas. These are the areas most likely to see wind chills of 20 to 30 below zero, and then out west, wind chill warning until 10 o'clock. These areas have seen wind chills drop down to around 30 to 35 below, and in some cases even a little bit colder than that at times out there. It is a frigid morning. Now, many of us have actually already seen our lows in the single digits and teens below zero. It's still that out there this morning, although it's actually warmed up a couple of degrees. That said, it is still bitterly cold. Frigid conditions this morning. It's going to be a slow warm-up today. Now, we do get back into the teens, maybe near 20 in some places, but it'll still be very cold for this time of the year. The good news is there will be lots of sunshine with just a few high clouds and not too much wind. Most places will see those winds remain under 10 miles per hour. The cold conditions stay around tonight. In fact, I'd almost call it frigid again. I think some of us are going to drop below zero again for overnight lows, especially where there's still a lot of snow on the ground. Tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer, but this cold front doesn't allow us to warm up much more for your Saturday. We will see mostly sunny skies out there, and the winds won't be too strong. They'll be more out of the north behind that front tomorrow, but again, it stays on the cold side for this time of the year. Highs later on today after this frigid start, upper teens, lower 20s. Again, notice the winds, not terribly strong today, but of course when it's cold, only a little wind does make you feel colder. Mainly sunny skies. Out west, upper teens to lower 20s. Upper teens to lower 20s in the south, and then upper teens to around 20 in the east. But again, keep in mind, maybe even overestimating high temperatures today. Again, snow can really have an influence on temperatures out there. So those areas with snow may potentially be a little bit colder out there. Next couple of days, it's a slow climb temperature-wise through the weekend. More clouds on Sunday, perhaps a little breezier as well. As we get towards Monday, we finally do warm things up a bit on Monday, but right now, and I talked about this on yesterday's forecast, there are still big time questions, not so much with the clouds and the precipitation, but with the temperatures. Monday through Thursday, forecast models are still struggling with the amount of warmth or cold air we'll see. One thing I will tell you, it still looks like a very small chance of snow Monday night and into Tuesday, still favoring northern parts of Nebraska for the best chance, but does not look significant. Monday looks like it will be a little bit warmer. There are a lot of indications of some colder air coming in on Tuesday. In fact, maybe dropping temperatures during the day Tuesday, although not all forecast models are showing that. One's still going a little warmer in the 40s. It does look like, I think, pretty sure that Wednesday should be the warmest day of the next 7. I'm going with low 40s. There are some forecast models going a little bit warmer than that, even into the 50s. And then it does look like we will start to cool things down on Thursday. Again, some forecast models are going colder than others. Some go pretty cold, in fact. Right now I'm going with 28 degrees. So again, it's going to take a few more days, but I think we'll hopefully get this part of the forecast ironed out as we get a little bit closer. As you saw, even just in the last 12 hours, forecasts don't always pan out. We got much colder than expected. A lot of that was due to the snow on the ground. And stay tuned to Facebook. I'll be posting those low temperatures from earlier this morning. It was dangerously cold out there overnight. Hopefully we'll get a little bit warmer later on today, so we can thaw out just a little bit. So there you go. There is your forecast heading into the weekend. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you enjoy your Friday.